नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।
Awareness of and of prophethood. Question is, can a person become a prophet by his efforts, worship, austerity and mujahida etc? Explained from the Quranic point. Answer is, it cannot be. Allah Ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, which translates as, this is the grace of Allah, He gives it to whom He wills. Question number 16 is, on which issue was the first consensus of the Muslim Ummah? Answer is, in order to protect the belief in the finality of prophethood. The first consensus was reached to wage war against the false claimant of prophethood. Question number 17 is, what is the Sharia punishment for the insolence of the messenger, which is proven by the Quran and Sunnah, the messenger and his companions? Answer is, the Sharia punishment for insulting the Prophet is only death sentence, and this work belongs to the government of the time.